looking at you standing there. You're everything I ever want.
And what do you do?
Actually, I am a full-time musician right now, so that is what I do. Fall or winter of 2019, I wanted to take singing lessons so that I could feel confident, not so that I could be, the best, whatever that might be, but just so that I could be the best version of me. And so that was the initial thought. And also, my husband and I love rock and we want to do rock. And so I'm like, well, I kind of have this like sweet little innocent voice. So I'm like, I kind of need to learn how to just give it, right?
Do you remember why did you lose the confidence?
I can't really say there's like one specific reason why. I think it just boils down to like insecurity. And even if people told me like, you're a good singer, like I didn't believe. My family was always really supportive. My father was actually so incredibly supportive of me, and he pushed me more than anybody.
Do you lose your motivation time to time?
Of course. Of course. I mean, it's like in my core, I'm always motivated. I know what I want and I'm not gonna give up or back down. Like I can't put out that fire. There are times I think I get overwhelmed when I'm trying to learn something new, or if I'm trying to apply a new technique I've learned to my music or to my singing and I'm not getting it instantly. It's easy to kind of get overwhelmed, and in return that can sort of wane the motivation a bit.
Don't do this for the glory, we do it for the fight.
It's not just a professional thing. And, I might have gone into this thinking, oh, okay, I just need to I need to be a better singer. But I came out of this with so much more than just being a better singer. It's like almost like a life transformation in a way. So do it, take lessons, be a singer if that's what you want, release it, whether it's for yourself, whether it's for an audience, whatever that might be, just do it. Just give yourself permission to sing and just enjoy it. Just enjoy it.